Choosing the right jigging rod can make or break your fishing experience. Weak rods, poor sensitivity, and uncomfortable designs often lead to missed catches and frustration. A good jigging rod should offer strength, flexibility, and excellent control for both beginners and experienced anglers. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best fishing jigging rods you can buy right now, perfect for shore, boat, and saltwater fishing. We reviewed performance, durability, and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Let's get started. Number 5. Noeby Beast Travel Jigging Rod. The Noeby Beast Travel Jigging Rod is designed for anglers who need portability without sacrificing performance. Featuring a 5-section design, it's easy to carry and store, making it ideal for travel and shore fishing. Available in 2.7-meter and 2.9-meter lengths, it supports up to 10-kilogram drag and handles lures around 80 grams. Equipped with Fuji components, it ensures durability and smooth line flow. Strong, reliable, and compact, this rod is perfect for anglers who want flexibility on the go. Number 4. LEYDUN Slow Jigging Rod 2026. The LEYDUN Slow Jigging Rod is built for serious saltwater anglers who need strength and precision. Made with high-quality T1100 carbon, it offers excellent durability while maintaining a lightweight feel. With lengths around 1.85 meters and multiple power options, it's suitable for different jigging styles. Designed for boat fishing, it delivers strong lifting power and smooth action. Whether you're targeting medium or large fish, this rod provides reliable performance and excellent control in demanding conditions. Number 3. Noeby Slow Pitch Jigging Rod. The Noeby Slow Pitch Jigging Rod is a great choice for anglers focused on precision and sensitivity. Available in 1.83-meter and 1.96-meter sizes, it supports up to 20 kilograms max drag and handles a wide lure weight range from 30G to 350G. Its balanced design allows smooth jigging action, improving your chances of attracting fish. Suitable for both spinning and casting setups, it performs well in saltwater environments. This rod is ideal for those who want control, flexibility, and power in one setup. Number 2. GTOFYU Heavy Jigging Rod. The GTOFYU Jigging Rod is built for heavy-duty fishing and tough conditions. Available in 1.8-meter and 2.1-meter lengths, it features a 3-piece carbon construction that combines strength with portability. Designed for 30 to 50-pound lines, it handles large fish with ease. This rod is perfect for surf, boat, and trolling fishing. Its durable build and strong backbone provide excellent control during fights, making it a great option for anglers targeting bigger catches in saltwater environments. Number 1. Noeby Shore Jigging Rod. The Noeby Shore Jigging Rod takes the top spot with its premium design and reliable performance. Available in multiple lengths like 2.49 meters, 2.75 meters, and 2.9 meters, it offers excellent casting distance and control. Equipped with Fuji guides and reel seats, it ensures durability and smooth operation. Designed for inshore saltwater fishing, it provides a perfect balance of strength and sensitivity. Ideal for both beginners and experienced anglers, this rod delivers consistent performance in various fishing conditions. A good jigging rod improves casting, control, and overall fishing success. These top picks offer a great mix of strength, sensitivity, and durability for different fishing styles. Whether you fish from shore or boat, there's a perfect option here. Which one is your favorite? Comment below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.